like scream the word you're feeling right now. 1, 2, 3, go. I always want to make out like one. I want to like hear one person's. I can't hear shit. Although I will say, when I ask people to scream out their feelings, it always feels like so much like more special, exciting energy. And I feel so lucky, one, that we're able to be in a room with people again. This is the coolest thing in the world, best feeling. I don't think anything compares to a live show. And when I've been standing exactly where you're standing, I've always just felt so excited and so inspired to be alive. And I can only hope to do the same for when you come to one of my shows. And you know, however you're feeling and whatever you've been dealing with before you came into this room, you feel like that's acceptable here and you're allowed to feel that way. And whether it's a bad day or a really good day or a bad day turned to a good day, like, you can feel whatever you want here. And also, I think the cool thing about this album, which you guys have been so incredibly supportive of, is it gave me every reason to feel every little thing that I felt, whether it was a mistake or whether it was the right thing to feel. I felt accepted to be myself. And I will never be able to repay you guys for that, because it's hard enough being like young and in your 20s and figuring out life. But then, right? Yeah, that's a weird thing, because you feel like everything you do is the wrong thing. But I promise you, this is like the time in our lives where we all get to figure it out together. And I just feel so lucky to be in a room full of people that are all figuring it out together and we're giving ourselves like a little space to do that. This song I'm going to sing to you was about a mistake that I made that then turned into an awesome song, so rock on. And that's how my life seems to work out sometimes, and I'm not mad at that completely. There was this one night that I was in the middle of a park and I was on a seesaw, and I was with someone that I probably should not have been with at the time, and the universe sent us both a tornado warning on our phones. And at first I was like, oh shit, we should probably, you know, find some shelter. And then once we found shelter, I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to tell my therapist about this tomorrow, and that's gonna suck. And so you know what I did? I just didn't tell him. No, it's not a woo, it's more of like a, it's more of a boo, but don't boo me because I'll cry. Please don't do that. But instead of telling him the truth, I ended up writing this song the next day, and I feel so much better now that I have a new therapist. It's called Tornado Warning.